Hello everyone, and today I'll show you what to do if it's the side of your Skullcandy Crusher Evo is not working. So first of all, make sure that the headphones are turned on and charged. Often problems are simply due to a low battery of the headphones being off. If one side still isn't working, let's continue. So grab your headphones and remove the ear cushions from each side. For now, I'll remove it from only one side. Easy as that. Now, here you'll see a bass circuit, right? So check it would vibrate on the side where the sound is working. If it does, the problem might be somewhere elsewhere. So here you'll see a lot of wires and circuits. It's like a mini computer. To go deeper under this plastic carcass, you'll need a little Phillips screwdriver. Let's turn on the headphones. So simply hold this button. They're off. Now let's turn them on again. If anything is not working, so you're simply to hold your volume up button and volume down button simultaneously for like 3 seconds. Now you see the flashlight started to glow with first light blue, now it's growing with a blue and red color. It means our headphones are in a pairing mode, and this had resetted all of our settings. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.